VonHaus Cordless 2" 1-stick handheld vacuum cleaner with powerful suction and lightweight design includes crevice tool, floor brush and turbo head. Superpower suction, powered by a 22.2V lithium-ion battery with a 15 kPa suction power and an advanced HEPA filter. This vacuum effortlessly takes hold of even stubborn pet hair, microparticles and deep debris. Choose between low and high settings depending on the surface. 2" upright and handheld cleaning, easily switch between modes by adding or removing the extension attachment. Suitable for convenient carpet and hard floor cleaning, as well as handheld use on upholstery, car interiors, and stairs. No cords. No limits. Experience the freedom of cleaning without restrictions thanks to the 22.2V lithium-ion battery. It charges from flat in 4 hours and boasts a generous 30-minute max working time on low setting.